Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Duo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see our important scholarship sponsored by Vivo for the class 10th and class 12th. Vivo for educational scholarship for the year 2021 and year 2022 for the class 10th and the class 12th. This scholarship has been sponsored by Vivo for education, merit based scholarship. It is open for class 10 and class 12, and the last date for this particular scholarship is 15 September 2021. I'm Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. First, we'll see about the about this program. Vivo Education Scholarship is an initiative of Vivo India to support higher education for the meritorious students coming from underprivileged section of the society. Under this scholarship program, the students who are residents of Telangana and Maharashtra, remember only the Telangana and Maharashtra, and currently studying in 10th and the 12th are provided with a fixed one-time financial assistance of rupees 10,000 to cover their school fees and other related academic expenses. Vivo India is a premium global smartphone brand and has introduced this scholarship as a part of CSR, corporate social responsibility, to initiate to promote the education by helping the meritorious and needy students. The eligibility for this Vivo Education Scholarship, it is open for the students who are residents of Telangana and Maharashtra only. So these two states, Telangana and Maharashtra, students are only eligible for this particular scholarship. Students must be currently studying in 10th and 12th, means he has to take an admission in 10th as well as 12th standard. They must have scored more than 80% marks in their 9, those who are in the 10th, and those who are in the 12th. In the 11th standard, they had to score 80% marks in the year 2020 and year 2021. So that is the back year. Now in the academic year, he has to take admission in 10th as well as the 12th standard. The annual family income should not be more than 4 lakh rupees per annum. Yes, the whatever the income of the family is there from all sources, it should be less than 4 lakh rupees. And what are the benefits? They are going to get it from the Vivo Education Scholarship. They are going to get one time 10,000 rupees. Now, what are the documents are required to upload on the online? The first and important one, Aadhaar card, mark sheet of the previous qualifying examination, whether it is 9th standard or it is 11th standard, current academic year fee receipt, whether it is in the full payment or it is a part payment, or you should have the bona fide certificate or ID card of the school, college or the school where you have taken the admission. Income proof. Yes, so here the income proof from the Form 16, or whether it will be given by the government authorities, then bank account, all the details which are there of the bank account with your bank account, FCR account, branch code, and your mobile number has to be linked, KYC has to be done, and how you have to apply. You have to go for this particular scholarship, that is Vivo for Education Scholarship 2021 and year 2022 for class 10th and 12th on Buddy for Study Scholarship portal. So here I have given you the Buddy for Study Scholarship portal. On this portal you have to go for this particular page, Vivo for Education Scholarship 2021 and year 2022. Remember, the year is very important one. And now there, once you see the scholarship, you can see on the lower side, this particular button is there, apply now. Click that apply button. Once you apply this button, you'll go to the login page. Those who are already logged, they can go directly to the application page, but those who are not logged in on this Buddy for Study, they will have to make a login on this particular. They have to have the account with a Facebook or Google or mobile number or email ID. They have to register on Buddy for Study. Once they are registered on that particular portal, Buddy for Study, they will be redirected to Vivo for Education Scholarship application page. Then you have to click the Start Application button. Application process will be start, and whatever the things which have been asked in that, one by one you have go on filling, and simultaneously you have to upload all the whatever the necessary documents are there. They should be in a high resolution, they should be in your pen drive, so that you can put it on your desktop or mobile laptop. Then one by one you have to upload that particular document. Then in the end, accept the terms and conditions. First read out what are the terms. Here I especially kept the terms and condition. You have to read out the term and condition, and you have to see the preview. Whatever you feel, check it out. Whatever the detail you have been say filled, one or two times you can check. Once you find that whatever the document you have been filled it is correct, otherwise what is happening, your form will rejected if you have been selected, but afterward they found out that whatever you have been given the data, it is misleading, is the forgery is there, then your application for this scholarship will be terminated, and whatever the amount which has been distributed, it will be written back, so they will take back. So don't make that mistake. See carefully whatever you feel detail, it should be the accurate one, and once you are satisfied, then click the button submit. Then your application automatically go to this Vivo Education Scholarship, that is for the Telangana and Maharashtra state students who are there in the 10th and the 12th standard. And the last date, remember, 15 September 2021. Now see the term and condition. The organizer of the scholarship program is Buddy for Study. Portal is there on the behalf of Vivo. They are going to see the all the process. Commencement of the scholarship is from the 16th August 2021, and duration is only for 1 year, whether it is 10th standard or it should be a 12th standard. By participating in the scholarship program, it is implied that you are in full and complete acceptance, means whatever the terms and conditions are given, you have been accepted. Agree to follow whatever the terms and condition has been mentioned by the Vivo for Education Scholarship. That merely applying to the scholarship does not mean any guarantee for award scholarship. If you are eligible, there will be a merit list will be there, and once whatever the number has been fixed, and about this, if you got the your application, you are going to get this application, and below that, if you're there, then you are not going to eligible. So many scholarship will be there for the 10th standard as well as 12th standard. You can go on applying and wait for the result. The scholarship program will be duly sponsored by Vivo Mobile India Private Limited, which has been referred as Vivo. Scholarship program is applicable and valid for the citizen of India above the age of 18. Yes, it will be an Indian citizen, but especially Telangana and Maharashtra. And the whatever the minor is there through its guardian, and the fee content has to be given. Vivo will not be liable for any loss or damage or cost that may be suffered or incurred directly or indirectly by the applicant while dealing with any unauthorized individuals or entities, persons, officer, director or staff. They have been clear. So they are not going to be liable for the loss or damage may happen with this particular scholarship. Vivo and its authorized entities partner will be allowed to retain, use and process the applicant's personal data in accordance with the law. However, Vivo shall not be responsible for liable for sharing personal information. It will not be going to share your personal information with other companies directly to the Buddy for Study or their representative on their online website or portal, including for disclosing payment credential on such website portal. Only for those purpose they are going to use your personal details. However, it has been ensured that Buddy for Study that they shall use the personal data information of the participant only for the purpose herein in accordance with the law. whatever as per the law, whatever is required only for that purpose, they're going to use your personal data. If any stage it is found that applicant has provided any false information, yes, I have already been mentioned that, has contravene any terms and condition or dumb or misappropriate any facts, applicant's scholarship shall be terminated immediately without any resource. Remember that, as I have already warned you now. Employees, agent, partners, vendors, directors, stakeholders, promoters of the Vivo and any other divisions, affiliates and subsidiaries and any other associated in any manner shall not be held responsible or liable for any loss of profit, property or life of any participant who are participating in the application in the Vivo Education Scholarship. Applicant shall have its own parents' active or genuine bank account and provide its detail in online form while applying for the scholarship program, failing which the form shall not will be rejected. If you not fill all the details of the your bank account, then your application will be rejected directly. The shortlisted applicants will be need to share their further details, including copy of a valid photo ID proof, that is passport, Aadhaar card, driving license, or voter ID, any one of these, along with the contact details which can be used by Vivo India from time to time to send further commercial and non-commercial information to the applicants. Vivo can or may, at its sole discretion, to disqualify any participating contestant or participants without any prior notice or intimation. In any case, participation is not abiding by rules of the program or does not qualify for the same. That will be sole discretion of the Vivo whether they can directly reject you on the any grounds. Vivo also reserve its right to suspend, amend, or cancel this scholarship program at its sole discretion without any information or liabilities. This is the just the social responsibility they are doing, but all the reserves, the rights which are there, they are with the Vivo India. Any entries that have been protected by copyright or trademark without the permission of the author or with the owner, defamatory, illegal, hateful, sexually explicit, harmful, or unfit according to the Vivo will not be considered valid and shall be removed from the program without information. All the disputes shall be subject to the exclusive jurisdiction of Delhi the courts. In addition to this, we have already uploaded these videos. IDFC First Bank NBA Scholarship. The last date is 2nd September 2000. This scholarship has already uploaded on my PC Joe Kimberlite. You can go and check it out in the various folder. Kotak Kanya Scholarship 2021. That is for the last date is 30th September. COVID crisis Jyoti Prakash Support Scholarship for the program 2021 for all. It is the last date is 31st August 2021. DHC Progressing Mind Scholarship for the year 2020 and 21, that is last year, for the engineering. The last date has been given 31st August 2021. Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program for all. It is the last date is 31st August 2021. Nikon Scholarship Program for Photography course. Those who want to take as a career as a photography anywhere, whether in the media or whether the wildlife photographer is there, anywhere the photography is required. So therefore this course for the year 2021 and 22, the last date is 1st September 2021. HDFC Bank Parivartan COVID Crisis Support Scholarship for the year 2021 for all. It is the last date is 31st October 2021. And Lingrand Scholarship for the year 2021 and 22 for the engineering girl students, and the last date is 10 September 2021. And Vinati Organic Young Woman Merit Scholarship 2021 and 2022 for the class 12 girl only. The last date is 15 September. So these are the scholarship which has already, this is the latest scholarships are there. which are been have already made the videos and uploaded on my channel. You can go and see the folders. There are the various folders are there. School folder 10 1 to 10 standard, junior college 11 and 12 standard, diploma, then ITI, then graduation, non-professional graduation, then postgraduate non-professional, that is BA, BSc, BCom, or MA, MSc, MCom, that is undergraduate as well as postgraduate, then engineering, then PG engineering, then medicine, then post medicine, all allied branches will be there. Then nursing has been made separate. So these are the various folders are there. Those who require search for the scholarship, they can go and check it out the folders and find out the your choice of scholarship, and can, if the whatever the last date is there, then you can apply for that particular scholarship. So here there is no reservation, just we have the two important criteria, income and your merit. So if you have been eligible for that, then you are going to get that scholarship. But don't be assume that once you have been eligible, whatever the criteria are there, it will be merit based. So there will be a merit list will be there. So if your comes in the number will comes in the particular number, then you can get the scholarship. Otherwise, go on applying a number of scholarship which are now I'm going to upload regular basis. So go and visit every time, or just subscribe my channel so that you can get that updates of that particular scholarship. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.